Welcome back. As always, this is Anthony Cervania. I'm an occupational therapy student with the University of Pacific's doctoral program, and I'm working with Move Up Health and Fitness to bring you the next video in our Young Onset Parkinson's Disease exercise series. Before we begin, I'd like to go over the disclaimer and safety notice. The following video is intended for general wellness and educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or individualized therapy. Always consult with your physician, occupational therapist, or healthcare provider before beginning any new exercise program, especially if you have a medical condition such as Parkinson's disease. This video was created by an occupational therapy student under the supervision of a licensed occupational therapist. All exercises have been reviewed and approved for general safety and appropriateness. Use caution when participating. Ensure your chair is stable and have a caregiver or support person nearby if it needed. If at any time you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or experience pain, stop immediately and seek medical advice. By choosing to participate, you acknowledge that you are doing so voluntarily and at your own risk. Neither the creators of this video nor the supervising therapist are responsible for any injury or harm that may result. So to start things off, here's a little bit of background information on dual task exercises. According to Varela Vasquez et al. In 2020, dual task exercises are activities in which two or more tasks are performed simultaneously. Examples of this include talk tests on the treadmill, balancing on a Bosu ball while being pushed by a partner, or driving while listening to and following directions. There are many benefits to incorporating dual task exercises to your current exercise routines. According to Zhang et al. In 2021, improved cognition and walking function was noted. More specifically, in Salazar et al. In 2017, stride length and speed have improved. And for Zhou et al., in regards to cognition, Trail Making Part A, Frontal Assessment Battery, and Stroop Color and Word Tests have seen improvements. Additionally, improved functional balance was noted by Garcia Lopez et al.'s study in 2023. Building off of last week, we spoke on functional training. A lot of the activities that we perform in our daily lives involve multitasking. Walking and talking to a friend, taking notes in class or a meeting, or making your favorite dishes at home during dinner are all examples of multitasking. As we develop these skills with similar activities inside the gym, it'll allow us to work towards all the other activities that we enjoy outside of the gym. While there are many options for dual task exercises, here are a couple that we'd like to show you. The first activity that we'll be going over is the sequence taps. In order to set up for this activity, you'll have 4 objects lined up in front of you. After determining the order, you will reach out and complete the tapping sequence for a set number of repetitions or for a set duration. After each tap, you'll return back to your starting position before tapping the next object. This exercise improves core stability. The skills addressed includes visual scanning and sequencing, and in your daily life, this can translate into activities such as food planning, where you're grabbing and organizing ingredients, or performing the laundry tasks such as reaching out and sorting the laundry. This activity can be graded up into a more difficult core activity, such as switching from a seated position into a plank, or if technology is used, randomness can be implemented through the use of blaze pods. The next activity that we're going to be going over are treadmill conversations, or as it was called earlier in the video, the talk test. In this activity, you are maintaining a conversation or secondary task, such as keeping your Duolingo streak alive while walking. The targeted muscles include the core and lower body. The skill addressed is your cardiovascular endurance. In your daily life, this skill is best seen when you're taking a call on your way to work or when you're hiking with some friends. Increasing the incline or decreasing it into a decline for the treadmill will alter the difficulty of this exercise. Finally, for individuals who like to gamify their exercise, playing video games such as Just Dance or Dance Dance Revolution are fun ways to incorporate dual task activities into your routine. Depending on the game, there are different target muscles, and as such, the core, lower body, and upper body are all indicated. The skills addressed are sequencing, rhythm, and overall balance. While specifically translating into dancing with the 2 games mentioned above, video games can also translate into navigating crowded areas or returning to playing instruments as seen with games such as GarageBand and Rocksmith. Thank you for watching this video. Come back next week where we'll be talking about the psychological changes with YOPD and emotional regulation through exercise. As with all the videos, check out our description if you'd like a copy of the PDF and the sources used to create this video.